Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today, we are going to share our field study that focus on hydraulic machine, which is hydraulic hose crimping machine. My name is Azamudin bin Musa.
And my name is Muhammad Aiman Nukman bin Tajul Azhar.
A hydraulic hose crimping machine is a device used to crimp or attach fitting onto hydraulic hoses. It applies pressure to compress the hose and fitting together, creating a secure and leak-proof connection.
So this is a 360-degree view of the hydraulic hose crimping machine. So a hydraulic hose crimping machine consists of several key components. The main parts include a hydraulic pump that generates pressure. The machine also features a crimping head where the hose is positioned, a lever or button to activate the crimping process, and a gauge to monitor pressure.
So this is how this machine works.